through the crankshaft shaft. Please don't forget to subscribe to my video. Then after you put the timing chain, install the gasket with the silicone, and we'll reinstall back our block cylinder back to the crankcase. So when inserting the block, insert the timing chain through the timing chain chamber, and now you drop down your block cylinder carefully towards the gasket and press towards the crankcase. Input the side cover for the, and now screw each back with the respective screws. Tighten to the specific torque according to the manufacturer's manual.